Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Lee in Tennessee on this Cobra 2000 GTL. Lee, got it ready to go for you, bud? We got your RF power set all the way down and all the way up. You were saying that you only had about a half a watt of power. Replace the final in that, change some caps, and did our tune to it, and I'll show you what we got. RF power all the way down, 5 watt slug, 1 watt, 5 watts all the way up, roll it back down, 50 watt slug, peak power, hello, 16 watts. And Lee, also, you now have a signal meter that works. It was stuck over on 3. I tried to loosen it and get it up and going, but it just wasn't gonna happen. It went to the ghost. Alright, Lee, I hope you enjoy this, and from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com on the email, or check us out on the web at www.truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.